everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. And look at this lunar beautiful Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette. It's $58. We have here 8 colors, but look at these packages, these details. Yes, it is limited edition. If you like this, you need to go to my link and buy, shop. Love you more than ice cream. Again, this is so pretty. To me it looks like more spring collection, but again it's like it's a limited edition lunar palette. We have with you 8 eyeshadows here, and look at how big they are. We have matte, and we have here two shimmer. And let me show you these colors on my wrist. Yeah, look at this color. We have again 2 shimmer here. This matte. This is it's a lighter color in this palette. This is it's darker, but they are so pretty. Again, this is palette only $58, and of course you will see me without makeup and with makeup. You will see my discoloration, pigmentation, and everything what I don't want to show, but it's there. But I will show you how I make this my skin look flawless. And we are gonna use one of new foundation, new concealer, and of course in this video I'm gonna have a little gift giveaway. One of you will receive full-size Laura Mercier cleanser. I'll send you home. It's free shipping. You don't need to pay. All what you need to subscribe my YouTube channels, comment below, follow me on Instagram, message me on Instagram, repost any of my posts, and of course you must live in United States, and one of you will receive this full-size cleanser. But you know, I like to talk. Let's create this look, because I do like this. It looks so pretty and natural. Let's start first with good skincare. Today I'm gonna use again Mirate treatment, and this is oatmeal treatment for face, for eyes, for body, eczema control. But because I'm allergic to so many products, I like this product. It definitely helping me. Then I'm gonna use moisturizer. It's of same for face and eyes, eczema control. And for eye cream, I'm gonna use basic moisturizer, but it's very creamy, it's very rich from Kiehl's. It's very inexpensive eye cream, and it's for sensitive to extremely sensitive eye. After skincare, I'm gonna use primer from Stila, One Step, and it's like color correcting primer. See how cool and pretty it is, and will minimize my pores. Very nice primer. I like how my skin glowing even, and it's kind of like a cooling effect. Love this. And now I'm gonna use very high rated foundation from Makeup Forever color, and 110. It's supposed to medium to full coverage foundation. And again, when I went to Nordstrom.com, this is where I work. Nordstrom, still working there. It's a very high review. We'll see if I'll cover and see how it stays. I apply only half on my face, and it looks good. To me it's a medium coverage. I don't feel it's full coverage, or I need to put way more foundation. But you know what, I did put a lot of foundation in the center where I need to cover, and on this side, this is where is my melasma, I'm gonna put way more here. But where's my skin, it's good, I don't need to go heavy. Now another very high rated concealer from brand Naked, and it's 24-hour moisturizer concealer, supposed to be crease free. We have its very cute brush here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna even use this or not, I'm not fan, but it is cute. Very big application, and this looks like a big amount of concealer here, and it's full coverage. Yeah, it's okay, it's not my favorite. I prefer my finger. It's definitely full coverage. I'm gonna use my beauty blender a little bit to spread this concealer, because it's a lot of coverage here. Ooh, you need very little. I actually put a little bit too much. Now I'm gonna use very quick HD powder, and it's a white one. It's really like unusual feeling, very like soft. Okay, because my concealer is still slightly wet and it's not yet creased, I'm gonna lock this with my beauty blender. I apply powder. I'm gonna put a little bit powder on my hand, kind of like pushing inside. It looks good, and it's not looks dry. Trick, you kind of don't need to wait, you need to work right away with your eye area. Now I'm gonna use another powder from Makeup Forever. This is press one. I have a big my puff, and I'm just gonna put right here on center, very little, to brighten this area and also to minimize my pores. And now I'm gonna use another powder. This powder have color from Giorgio Armani. It's have little bit glow radiance finish, and I do like this powder. But if you oily and you have a large pores, it's maybe not the best choice for you. And I like to apply this powder like a circle emotion, and I'm using Bobbi Brown brush. Now I'm gonna use bronze from Bobbi Brown. I need a little bit color to my skin. And now I am gonna use this palette, but not yet for my eyes, for my cheek. I really like this color. And now let's use my favorite highlighter from Beauty Rare. It's so beautiful. It's one of my favorites right now. I apply a little bit too much. I'm gonna put a little bit just transparent powder. My skin looks good, very natural. Again, it's like not too much, but I look 20 years younger, right? Okay, girls, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows and then I will be right back. We're gonna use this palette. Of course, I'm gonna do something natural and simple. First step, it's always very important. It's eyeshadow primer, and my favorite is MAC. I'm using synthetic brush, and I'm applying on the entire my eyelid. I have a big blending brush from Chanel, and we're gonna use this beautiful soft like little bit yellowy peachy color. From corner to corner, and I push in little bit up. Eyeshadow look very soft, very natural. Remember, this is its natural look. I just wanna look younger. That's the second color. We're gonna use this one. And again, I apply it from corner to corner. And now let's use this beautiful shimmer color. It is very pretty, and it's a little bit gold sparkles, this shimmer eyeshadow. Now with clean brush, I'm gonna use this beautiful gold eyeshadow. And this yellow orangey color, we just apply them right here on the corner. It's not too bright. It's very like soft color. Came to a little bit close to you. You can see a little bit need more blend, but eyeshadow looks very soft, very natural. Now I'm gonna use my again blending brush, and I'm gonna use this darker color in this palette. And this color I'm gonna put on a corner. Now I'm gonna use this matte light colors. This is lightest color in this palette. And I'm gonna apply close to my brow bone. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. It's actually very important, I feel, for this look. I'm gonna use eyeliner from MAC and apply it very close to my lashes, and it's a brown color. I believe it's turned brown. And same eyeliner I'm using on my waterline. And same eyeliner I apply very close to my low lashes. Now I have a small brush, and I'm just gonna little bit smudge this and make more softer. And what it does, this eyeliner underneath make my eye little bit more bigger. Now I'm gonna use small brush. I'm gonna use this color. We're almost finished. I'm gonna use brown liquid eyeliner from Clinique. Okay, I'm back. I picked my daughter from school. We went to dentist. We went to Best Buy. We went to mall. We went to Publix. Now I'm home and I run around everywhere with no mascara, but it's okay. But foundation still look good. One little bit, we'll say suggestion: if you are dry to extremely dry, put a lot of moisture. But let's finish this look. I feel like I need put little bit more blush, and of course mascara and primer. And I'm gonna use primer from Christian Dior. For my mascara, I'm gonna use MAC mascara, and I start putting stickers on every single my mascara when I open, because remember, every 3 months you need to get rid of your mascara. And then we're gonna use a blush from Clinique number 114 Ice Lotus. It's very pretty color, like a pinky color. I love this. We're gonna finish for my lips. We're gonna use brand new lip liner from Estee Lauder. Love this color, and it's 420 Rebelicious Rose, and then brand new lip color. Actually, it's not like they let me know if you want or not, but Estee Lauder reformulated, bring new colors, and they yes, still keep old colors, but they relaunch lipsticks, and look how pretty this is. And this is its color 420. Okay, let's do quick. Of course, girls, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up, and I wanna say thank you everyone who followed me, who messaged me. Our Katerina beauty stylist, little bit growing and growing more. Love you more than ice cream. You know, let's put little bit more my beauty Rare Beauty highlighter right here. It's very nice spot. Again, let's put blush from Clinique. I love this lip color, it's very pretty, but let's put a little bit lip gloss from Trish McAvoy. Ooh, and now it's even better, and it's Sexy Petal. Okay guys, I hope you like this look. I think it's very soft, very natural. You saw me before and after, and remember, in this video I have a little gift giveaway. It's a full-size Laura Mercier cleanser, and one of you who subscribe me, who follow me on Instagram and live in United States will receive this for free. I will send to you. Comments below, subscribe, follow, message me, and live in United States. Bye everybody. Again, it's very soft, very natural, and look at my eyes, just pop.